Hey, bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Now today we're going to be getting into what I said last time, which is connecting some of the steps that we've learned so far into some longer combinations here. So we're going to start off at the bar. I'm going to be demonstrating at bar. You can also do these center floor. Yeah, you can also use your arm in port-de-bras, either keeping it in second position or taking it through a full port-de-bras sequence. So going through here, we're going to be going through our tendu and our dégagé for this one. It can either be done in first, in third, or in fifth. If you're experienced switching par le second, then you can go through third or fifth. And if you don't know what I just said, you can probably stay in first. So getting into it here, I'm going to be going in fifth. We'll take it through tendu and then dégagé to then tendu again and close, followed by two dégagé, one papa and two aha. Yeah, closing in that tendu each time. We'll have that en croix, so that in second, and again in derrière. When we get back to à la seconde, boom, here, we're actually going to switch it up a little bit. We're going to take two dégagé, double dégagé, boom, here, and then avant, ba, à la seconde again, ba, and derrière, ba. From here, single dégagé, again, en croix, starting à la seconde, 1, 2, 3, 4, then take plié and straighten, and then we can go to the other side. All right, and again, you can keep your arm in second for this or take it all the way up through a port-de-bras the entire time, but I'm going to be uploading two different versions of this, one that's at a slower speed, boom, in first position, and one that's at a faster speed, here in fifth. But for now, I'm Malone Jr. This has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjstudios.com for more. Bye, guys.